Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modeling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Okay, so let's tackle this engine. May sound a little put off, but it's going to be a bit of a pain, to say the least. Here we go. Right, so basically what we need to do first is we have our images. So we need to create this shape first. Other than this piece here, from what I can see also, this is literally just a fake piece to put in the engine bay. If you look on the other car, there's a fan belt going off around here. Separate them out. See, that's... We could still do this, but have fan belt coming over to the left so it follows this one. See, the circle on the front here is this one here, but we're just going to have to make this up ourselves, I'm afraid. So, first things first. And from what I can see is, where is it? The best shot from the side is, there's these 5 on the top, and they appear to be mirrored below, which would be mirrored below if it wasn't for this piece here. See, that looks like it's there, and they've added a bit on. Can you see it there? So if we create that piece first, and then we'll put these extras on, such as extruding this out here for this pulley wheel. Smoothing. So here we go. Right, so I'll be mucking around with the colours to make it easier to see. We'll see how that goes. So with hood selected, basically we just want to grab a couple of points in the centre here, so 7. So we'll do Shift S, we'll cursor to selected. If that hasn't appeared, I'll tend to turn this off. There we go. And from there, actually what we need to do, we keep this separate, and we shall create another, oops, do that, add scene collection, click new collection, rename this engine. So anything engine wise will be put into this folder, is basically all it is. So from there, do a shift here, or add object here. I'll put a circle in. That is huge. 5.2. Right. 0.15. Yeah, 0.15 looks good. And we'll just put on 8 for now, because we're basically just creating that simple shape. And x-axis here, 90 degrees, so it's facing forward. Right, so now basically need to create that shape within these 2 furthest points. Now look, hide the engine. Hide the engine. So in edit, I like them too. Now you see how I've just changed the colours, otherwise it's normally in black if I remember. We'll do scale Z. Actually no, I like that one, Scale Z 0. Oh, we could probably get away with just mirroring this over, so we'll do that in a second. Oop, that's scale X, scale Z 0, there we go. So if we look at this Image again. So we have 2 on that side, so that will be the middle point. So if we cut that in half and pull that out, that'll do. Go into 2, highlight them 2 edges or drag a box through them. Right click, subdivide, back to 1. And just scale that on the Z and pull it forward a bit, or to the right, should I say. We'll do the same on this. Subdivide, back to 1. Do is highlight that one, shift select that one, scale Z, pulls that down or on line with it. Same again, scale Z, go. And just pull that out so it curves nicely. Might be too high. Kind of needs to be halfway. So highlight all of these just to make sure. Just faffing here. Scale Z. Just get them in the middle. Scale actually to give it a nice curve. Right, so now, wrong one. Need pull this back here. M2. And tell you what, might make it easier. Just select these for the bottom. X, 1, words to a mirror. That's mirrored on the X there. So if we mirror on the up and down, so that'll be the Z. Turn X off. Nothing's happened. So tab out. Do Control A and apply the rotation and scale. There we go. Okay, so tab. Actually, we'll put clipping on. It joins these two here, but we'll change the merge distance by putting a couple of zeros in there. Otherwise, if we add anything, yeah, that's too large, it'll automatically merge in the bottom, and then it just becomes a pain in the backside. So, okay, so we need back into tab. We need to add, if we do 2, do a subdivide on that. There we go. Just need to pull this one down a little bit. Get about halfway between them. So that's going to be that corner there. Have I taken that too far? Possibly have. Yeah, that's more of a semicircle, I'm going to say, but slightly squashed on the X. Because that is a tighter corner. So if we pull these out a little bit again, oh, can't come on. Slide them back. This one that way instead. There we go. So as long as we have these 3 points here, these 3 points, so right, so we'll have that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, I believe. This is just a demonstration, so you don't need to do it. See, that'll be them 5 there. Still not sure about this bit here. But we can easily move this around once we add the... I don't even know what these bits are called, to be fair. These bits? We've got a name. That's totally slipped my mind. Thanks, Brian. Right, anyway. We'll highlight that one. We'll do a Shift S. We'll select cursor to selected. And there, we'll do a already in tab mode, so as we add this next circle, it will be part of this object. Shift A, now circle. Now we'll scale it down to 0.01, see what that size is. Rotate on the X again, 90. That looks like a decent size. So now we just need to copy this to then to that and that, right? So do Shift D, X. If we do tab, I'll jump to it because that vert's not to it. Now just move it along. Zoom in, you can see it's just before this line here. Shift to move it slowly. Zoom in, Shift D, X to limit the axes. Now if you press Control, it'll snap to that one. Zoom in again. It was just after that there, that line. So that line there. So bring that down. And there we go. And hold down. Snap it to that one. Right, this one's a little bit more tricky. See, it's on that line there, just slightly above. Bring that down. Shift to slow it down. We can see that's just slightly out. Bit of a pain that keeps hiding, but that'll do. Last one, Shift D, X to limit the axes. Guess in the middle. Spot on. Right, so how long's that been? 12 minutes. I'll have to cut these into shorter videos still. Right, we'll quickly leave it at that one. Next little bit, we'll add these into this shape basically. Right, so do Control S. Save. I'll catch you in the next one.